Hello, Klaus here, and welcome back to yet another video here at the channel. In today's video, which is a very short video, I'm going to show you a little trick on how to make your videos transparent if you are having a logo, text, or whatever that you don't want to have a black background on. You want to have a transparent background so you can take your, for instance, logo and put that into your timeline and then change the background colors depending on the projects you are doing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So without further ado, let's go into Davinci Resolve.
Okay, so here we are in Davinci Resolve, and I'm quickly going to show you how to remove a background color and get it transparent in the render. But first, I have this green screen clip, and I want to remove the background, the green screen, and make it transparent. So I'm going to remove the background from this green screen clip, and you can do that in multiple ways in Davinci Resolve, either in the edit page, the color page, or in my favorite way, the Fusion page. So I'll just jump into Fusion and do it that way. So here in Fusion, I'm going to take my media in and my media out here, and I'm just going to hit Shift Spacebar, and I'm going to search for Del. And here I have my delta key, and I'm going to add that in. And I'm going to select the delta here, and I'll just go up here in on the key on the background color, and I'm going to push this icon here, and I'm just going to remove the green like that. So let's just jump back. So now we have what we basically want, but I want to do, for instance, a bigger outline. And there's a cool effect in Davinci Resolve. So if I go into Effects and I'll take the outline stroke, I'm just going to push that on. So now I'm going to have this big outline on my logo. And of course, I want this to be a little bit small. So I'll just go up to the inspector under Effects and then border width. I'm going to make that smaller, something like that. If this is what I want, I can take this and render this out. So I'll go into the render. And in the render, we're going to, of course, give our file a name. So I'm going to call this TDF transp. It's going to save it there. That's fine. And then in the video, I'm going to export the video, of course. If you don't need the sound, you can just click on the audio, and then you can just toggle here to choose not to export the audio, but for this, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, let's go back to the format in the export settings. So the format is going to be a QuickTime. I'm going to change the codec into DNxHR. And if I go here, I can just click this export alpha, and that's all you need to do. I'm going to render this out, and it should take just a sec. So let's jump back to the editing tab. Okay, and here I have my clip. So now I can just go to, for instance, generator and take whatever I want. Let's take this one, put underneath, and then now I have that background underneath my logo, and I can do whatever I want. Also, you could just use a solid color and create the exact color you want, or video, or whatever you want to have underneath your logo. Anyway, I do hope you found this little video useful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you think it would help them out, and if you want to be notified every time there's another video here at the channel, please hit that bell icon down in the corner. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep sharing.